In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create virtual business card in Canva. First, open your web browser and head to Canva's website. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account so you can save your work as you go. Once you're in, click the search bar at the top and type business card with QR code, then submit the search. You'll see lots of ready-made designs. Make sure you're viewing templates, then pick a design that fits your brand's vibe. Something clean, readable, and on brand. Click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Start by personalizing the text. Select any text box to reveal the toolbar. You can change the font style, size, and color here. To switch fonts, open the font drop-down and scroll until you find one that matches your brand tone. Professional, modern, or playful. Use the plus and minus icons to fine-tune the font size so your name and title stand out and supporting details remain legible. To change font color, click the A color icon and choose a shade that contrasts well with the background for easy reading. You can also adjust the background color to match your brand palette. Click the background, then use the color swatch above the canvas. Scroll through the options and select the color you want. Aim for strong contrast with your text and keep the design simple so the QR code will scan easily later. If your template has multiple pages, repeat the same text and color adjustments so everything looks consistent. Now let's add the QR code. In a new tab, go to Hey Link, me and log in. Paste the social or website link you want people to visit, click Generate QR code, then download it as a PNG to keep the edges crisp and the file lightweight. A quick tip. QR codes scan best with dark code on a light background and a bit of clear space around them. Head back to your Canva tab. In the left panel, click Uploads, then Upload Files, and select the QR PNG you just saved. Once it appears in your uploads, drag it onto the card. Move and resize it to fit your layout, keeping it large enough to scan comfortably and leaving some breathing room around it. Place it where it doesn't crowd your name or logo, and use Canva's snap guides to keep alignment tidy. That's it. Your virtual business card is customized and includes a scannable QR code. Give everything a final look for alignment, color consistency, and readability, and you're ready to go.